Before we begin, like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more credible news. Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar's meeting with industrialist Gautam Adani in Bengaluru has triggered a political controversy amid the state government's push for the proposed Hebbal-Silkboard tunnel road. The Chief Minister's office described the August 23rd meeting as a courtesy visit. Shivkumar said it was Adani's first meeting with him since he became Chief Minister and that the industrialist had come to Bengaluru while returning from the Art of Living before leaving for the airport. Adani Enterprises has emerged as the lowest bidder for the tunnel project. The company's reported bid is around 22,267 crore rupees compared with the government's estimated cost of about 17,698 crore rupees. The proposed project covers a 16.75 kilometer twin tube tunnel between Eastern Mall in Hebbal and Central Silkboard. The project has also faced environmental concerns with drilling potentially affecting Sankey Tank and Lal Bagh. The Karnataka cabinet has approved a bill allowing up to 5% of public parks to be acquired for public development projects. The meeting has drawn criticism from the BJP. Karnataka Assembly Leader of Opposition R. Ashoka accused the Congress of following different positions on Adani in Delhi and Karnataka. He alleged that the state government had rolled out a red carpet for the industrialist. The controversy is also significant because Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly criticized Adani at the national level.